surprised to see me here instead of Santa Claus? Well, I can't say that I blame you since it is Christmas here. Me? Just call me GB for now. Yep, I'm back in time, many Christmases ago. And right there in that very house is where our story begins, the story of the first Easter rabbit. And you know, we came within a hair's breadth, if you'll excuse the pun, of never having an Easter rabbit at all. Don't remember, do you? You know all about Christmas and Christmassy things, like how Santa came to be, Frosty, and Rudolph who guided the sleigh. But how about that rabbit who comes every Easter day? So you found me out at the very end. That's right, I was Stuffy, many, many years ago, that is. And so the Easter lily brought eternal spring with it. The chickens could lay their eggs, and the world would know that next year and every year I'd be back again. Happy Easter!